Dave Altavilla for Hot Hardware here at PAX East in Boston with Wallace Santos, CEO of Maingear Computers, here to show us something new out in the Beantown Gaming Show extravaganza called PAX. How you doing, Wallace?
What's going on, Dave? Thanks for coming by. It's always a pleasure to have you over, and I got some cool stuff to show you, man.
All right, let's see it.
We'll start right here. You're obviously familiar with the F-131. You've seen it before, you've reviewed it. We've won the HotHardware award, which was fantastic, right? So you guys are familiar with this. F-131 grounds up design from Maingear. This is a grounds up chassis where we did the cooling system in tandem with the chassis when we designed it. So we call this the Apex system. Apex was the first system to actually have a lot of technologies baked into a single unit. So there's dual pumps, it's pressure regulating the water here. CPU and the GPU is getting fresh liquid at the same time, right? There's also a temperature probe here, and it just looks stunning, right, as you can see. Now, what's even more exciting is that we're bringing some of this to the next system here. And I'm gonna bring you right over. This is the brand new Vybe. Got introduced here at PAX. It starts at $699 on the website. It's the first time that we're pre-building systems and we're stocking them, so it ships in 24 hours. And excuse me. Now, what's cool about the Vybe is there's no compromises as well, right? The F-131 was essentially the ultimate perfect PC. It was our interpretation of the perfect PC, and now we're bringing some of the technologies from the F-131 down to the Vybe. Apex is now available on the Vybe. Grounds up chassis as well. It's a mid-tower chassis. This chassis has the best cooling radiator real estate in its class. Okay. Now here's the interesting part. The Vybe will be available as a DIY kit as well. So you can buy the individual chassis at Micro Center. Okay. And within a couple of weeks, we'll have the Apex available as well for sale. So a lot of people, you know, we took the feedback from the community. A lot of people were asking, hey, can I buy just the chassis because I built my own, right? Or can I buy just the Apex blocks? Before we didn't have that option, now we do, so it'll be available soon.
So you're saying the kit is $699 with the case, or just the case?
No, so $699 is the complete build.
A complete build?
Yeah, it's an AMD-based system, it's a Ryzen 5 in there. Now, if you don't want to buy a fully built system, you can buy just the chassis as well now.
Okay.
The chassis will retail for $119. Okay. And Apex, you know, it's not out yet, so we'll have final pricing in a couple weeks.
Okay.
1 or 2 weeks tops.
Cool. So the base system, $699, is a Ryzen 5 processor on board.
Ryzen 5, 8 gigs of RAM, and it's got a 256GB SSD in there.
Nice.
So it's well configured. It's basically the same price that you would pay for you to build it yourself.
I was going to say, that's pretty cheap for a Maingear.
Yeah, it is. And you know, it's part of scaling the company, so we're able to actually pre-build these systems now. Yeah. And you get the beautiful wiring that you get from our company, right? So it's built with the beautiful craftsmanship that is, and without paying the hefty price tag.
Nice. Good stuff.
Yeah, we're also showing off, obviously, the racing chairs here. We're automotive inspired, right? So at Maingear, we seek inspiration from these cool cars that we love. And you know, this particular chair, this is the Forma R. We have the Forma GT as well. These chairs are also available at Micro Center. It's the #1 selling chair at Micro Center stores right now, and it's very exciting.
Ooh, good stuff.
Ergonomically designed. They were, you know, they're actually built from grounds up for our customers. So we're pumped.
All right, we got to swing over for like 10 seconds to look at your car though, because you drove here in something special.
Yeah. So like I said, we're automotive inspired. We love the car game, right? So yeah. Having some fun here.
What is this? What is this over here? This red Maingear beast.
So this is it's a 911 GT3, and it's a naturally aspirated car. It's got the Porsche livery from our livery. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly.
That works.
But hey, whatever works. So we Maingeared it out. It's the Maingear colors, and we use it to attract some attention to our computers.
So this is your ride.
Yeah.
And you drove that all the way up from New Jersey to Boston.
Man. You gotta drive them. Yeah, you gotta drive them to enjoy them. Absolutely.
Good stuff. Thanks, Wallace. Wallace Santos, CEO of Maingear here at PAX East in Boston.
Peace.
Thanks, buddy.